Ladies and gentlemen, these new LED headlights provide a high-performance safety solution with improved light output, glare reduction and EMC built-in to avoid electromagnetic interference and flicker issues. It's tough and die-cast aluminum housing with added scratch prevention technology on the mirror, anti-fog, and hard-coated PC lenses to prevent cracking and formulated to resist UV or chemical damage. Also with the superior condensation management and DOT-approved warranties that your lights are legal on the road, meeting Section 108 requirements of the Federal Model Safety Standards. Your DOT compliance is clearly aged on the lens of the light. Our 70 inches LED headlight can fit Jeep Wrangler JK, TJ, LJ, CJ and Hummer H1 and H2. Hello everyone, it is my honor and pleasure to introduce our new release headlight. It's an LED 7 inches with halo ring and our 4 inches LED focus light also with halo ring. These are being DOT approved and also with the perfect cutoff for the most beautiful design for you lights.